Hi, I'm Maddie's daddy, and you're watching Maddie's Magical World.
Come on, let's go play. Hi guys, welcome to Maddie's Magical World.
Right. Welcome back to Maddie's channel.
Yeah!
Maddie is enjoying some good candies. One of her favorites, Skittles. Maddie loves Skittles. Today we have a new product, and it's one of these bad boys here.
Look what I did. I pressed this in the middle.
What? That's cool. Wow. I tried it yesterday, but it wasn't working. I think Maddie's got magical hands. So guys, I don't know if you know what this is exactly, but this is I don't know if you have a My Life doll, and Maddie's gonna show you what it is. One of these girls here. All right.
Guys, look. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I am real.
Maddie's doll has beautiful blue eyes like Maddie. So we're gonna show them what we got in this little package here. And we have here a movie theater playset. My Life as a movie theater playset. So as you can see, we have
Tickets.
we got some tickets here, movie tickets here.
Yep.
We have what looks like cotton candy. Yeah, that's cotton candy. We have pretzels. We have popcorns. We have hot dogs. Sorry if you guys can't see very much because of the light, but here's the hot dog and the bun. And we have here a soft drink. No, we have two soft drinks. What? That's cool. And the coolest part of it all is the fountain drinks. You guys hear that? So when you click on the middle one,
Yep.
it actually sounds like you're pouring some drinks in your cup.
Yeah.
So here's the back. Yeah, so it's basically, yeah, like I just mentioned, the soda machine makes realistic sounds. So it really sounds like you're pouring soft drink into your cup, which I think is pretty cool because it makes it realistic. And of course, if you look for more dolls in store or online,
Or this.
that's right, you can find one of these dolls. Here's what she looks like next to another beautiful doll. And so that's it, guys. We have a My Life as doll. And Maddie is going to rip open this package and show you guys what we got. So, are you ready to open it? Are you ready? Go ahead. It's your time again.
Wait.
Maddie wants to pick in her candy bag again. Because she likes Skittles. There's one of the cup with the straws. Here we have a miniature cup with a straw. And Maddie just broke open this package like she had Hulk Hogan muscles. What do we have here? We have the two movie tickets. We have two of these cups with the straw and the lid. And what else do we have? We have this pretzel. We have this cotton candy. The coolest one is this one, the popcorn, the bucket of popcorn.
No.
Because I like popcorn.
No.
No? Which one is your favorite one? The soda machine? Yeah, because it sounds so real, eh? And we have these, the hot dog and the hot dog buns, and maybe you can pour some real drink in there. Well, that's cool. So yeah, guys, this is what we have. We have these
Nope,
candies. And there we go. Maddie's gonna open the box for you guys. We got some yummy chocolate candies.
Look what I did.
Oh, cool, guys. The hot dog can actually come out of the bun. Cool. And what's that? Licorice? It looks like licorice, maybe? This one? So, Maddie, what do you think?
Good.
Yeah? So, guys, this is what we got for today. Baby, are we done with this video? We're done? All right. Well, thank you for watching this episode, and we're going to see you in our next video.